Welcome back for Time for Food with I am Naidu. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make coconut ladoo. First, I like to start with about a half spoon to a spoonful of ghee. And then you're going to use 2 cups of shredded coconut. Highly recommend fresh over dry, but all we had to work with was dry. Once you have this going, you're going to go ahead and put a cup and a half of milk and make sure to stir this very well. Once you have this mixed, you're going to add in a 3/4 cup of sugar, and you're going to want to mix it until the sugar dissolves into the mix. Now on a low simmer, you're going to want to stir the milk until it completely evaporates, and this may take up to about 20 minutes. When you use fresh coconut, it's going to be all crumbly, which is the result you want. We had dried coconut, so we worked with what we had. You're going to take your mixture and put it in another bowl. We're going to go ahead and start putting this in the freezer so it can cool for about 10 minutes. Once your mixture is cooled, we're going to go ahead and start adding our other ingredients. You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of well-chopped cashews. Then you're going to take a half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix this well into the mix. Once that's complete, you're going to start forming your ball for the dessert. Then you're going to take shredded coconut as your topping and roll the ball within it. And there you have it, a simple recipe on how to make coconut ladoo. Hope you enjoyed this, and let's see if my husband did. Now time for the taste test.
This better be good, because this will bring back childhood memories for me, because it was my favorite dish growing up. That's really nice, proper amount of sweetness. Tastes like coconut barfi, if you guys have eaten that. Pretty similar to coconut ladoo. Good job.
Thanks.